Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you all my skincare routine. So I've left my face completely naked, and I'm just going to run through all the things that I do step by step and show you guys along the way how I do it. I hope this video is informative to you in some way. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I've already washed my face. As you can tell, my hair is still a little bit wet. I had just hopped out of the shower and I figured I'd kill two birds with one stone today and just apply my skincare now. And I've already cleansed my face in the shower. I cleanse my face in the shower all the time with the 𝐬𝐨𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐜 hydrating facial cleanser, but this is not my daily cleanser. This is my backup cleanser. So I get ready at the gym more often than I do at home. So I use like my prominent cleanser at the gym and I just leave it there, so I don't have it with me right now. And I also have left my washcloth at the gym. I use the Bliss Pore Patrol Clay to Foam Purifying Cleanser, and I know it's a mouthful, but I get it at Target. It's only $12, and you can also buy it at Ulta because my Target stopped selling that line. They only sell a few Bliss items, I guess. So now I'm just gonna continue buying it at Ulta. And then the washcloth, I ordered from Amazon. I actually discovered it because my stepmom went to Korea and she brought a bunch of K-beauty stuff, and this washcloth changed my life. Like, I used to have like really bad like gunk buildup like between my nose and my cheeks, and then like right here on my chin, just a lot of just dirt and disgustingness. That's where all it goes. So every day I will rub the crap out of my chin and like around my nose and here on my forehead. That's just where the gunk builds up the most. I wouldn't recommend using this exfoliator every day. I use it almost every day, but that's just my skin. Like, I think for some other skin types, I don't think can handle exfoliating that often, but mine, I don't know why. I'm just a tough cookie, I guess. Now I'm gonna go into like the stuff that I apply before moisturizer. This is the Tatcha, the Essence. I'm not really sure what this technically is. It's not a serum, but it's like the texture of a toner, but you use it as a serum. I don't know, they made up their own damn thing. But this was actually sent to me in a box by Influencer, and I'm low-key kind of upset they sent this to me because it's so freaking expensive and I fell in love with it. This bottle is $100. How much is in here? Oh, for 5.1 fluid ounces. Why do I use this? Well, I just tested it out because they sent it to me and it changed my life. It absolutely transformed my skin. Everything I've just applied so smoothly. My skin was so hydrated. Skin is very dry when I get out of the shower and then super oily at the end of the day. This really helped with that oil control, I think. I mean, that's what I'm giving the credit to because that's what I changed in my skincare. And this is actually oil-free, so that's probably helpful. I'm just gonna read my notes off my computer because I can't memorize this shit. It's 98.7% pure Hadesai 3. I'll put the details down below. And it's a concentrate of green tea, rice, and algae, which is Japan's top 3 ingredients for skincare. Why haven't we been using this in America? I'm sure we have, but. And it claims to maximize the performance of like all your skincare, which I have to attest to. Because I think since using this product, like my moisturizer and my cleanser have just been like on another level. Like, I haven't changed my moisturizer. Oh, yes, I did. We're going to get into that. But like when I was first started using this, I haven't changed my moisturizer in probably 2 years. I was on my second container of that moisturizer. And, you know, I just stuck with it because it worked, I guess. So most importantly, will I buy this with my own money? Yeah, I'll probably save some coin to be able to repurchase. I think I am probably halfway through at this point. So you poured it out of this little, I don't know, I've never seen this before, but whatever that is. And I just pour a little bit on my hand. Oh God, you can't even see it, can you? Oh, vlog or fail. But anyway, it's like literally 2 drops. And I rub it in my hands and I just pat it all over my skin. And sometimes I'll bring it down to my neck. Let my skin soak it all in. Jaeger. And it really doesn't have a strong scent. I don't think it has a fragrance in it, from my understanding. I mean, I don't smell anything. It just smells like skincare, if that makes sense. And then I go ahead and apply the Tatcha Violent C Brightening Serum. This was also included in the same box that Influencer gave me. Now, is this really necessary? To me, not really. To some people it could be, depending where you are in your skincare life. It's definitely a great product to have if you have the money to purchase this, but this shit is expensive. This thing is $88 and it's 1 ounce, 1 freaking ounce. And it's 20% vitamin C and Japanese beauty berry, which is the vitamin C derivative that absorbs quickly into skin. You know what's going on here. I'm 23 and I know you're like, oh, I'm 23, but you know what? I'm gonna listen to my grandma and I'm gonna do what she told me, is to take care of my skin now rather than having to deal with it in your 30s, 40s, and 50s and so on. A couple things to note for this product is it has no fragrance, and there is a Japanese angelica root in here which helps reduce the appearance of dark spots. So that's why I usually apply it here, which I'll probably do right now. So I do like a half pump, literally the smallest amount in the world, and I just mix it between my index and middle finger, and I just pat it under my eyes and work my way down. Brighten them dark circles, you know? Oh, I guess that's why it's called brightening serum, because it has that angelica root. I don't apply this every day, probably 3 to 4 times a week, I'd say. It does say to use it in the evening, but I'm really bad at my skincare in the evening, so I just do it in the morning. My nighttime skin routine doesn't really exist right now. Will I buy this? Probably not. When I run out, I probably won't purchase this again because it's $88. If I do have extra money, I might, but also I could use that $88 towards many, many other things. If you are invested in your skincare, I would suggest maybe looking into this item, but I'm going to use it till I run out. Because it is really amazing. It does feel good on my skin, but I don't really think it transformed my skin the way that this essence did. Now on to my moisturizer, and yes, it's Tatcha once again. Honestly, this essence serum, I don't know, do I call it a serum? I don't know what it's actually, they call it the essence. That really turned me into like a Tatcha fanatic. I always knew Tatcha was a great brand, and you know, it has very good reputation. Their products pretty much always follow through. And I was shopping around for a new moisturizer because the one that I had, I completely ran out of it. And I've purchased 2 jars. I love the texture. That's really the only reason why I stuck with it. It was a gel texture. It was the Belief Gel Moisturizer. And then I saw this. This is their water cream moisturizer. This is insane. This is like better than gel. I'm gonna open this guy up and show you guys what it looks like inside. This is the color. As you can see, it looks really light and quite fluffy. And I just take the little golden spoon that comes with it. It's actually placed on top of the lid. And I take the tiniest amount. I'm telling you, when I say tiny, I mean freaking tiny. Will my camera even focus on that? It is really small, okay? Really freaking small. And then what I do is just dab it, dab it, dab it, dab it. Spread it. I'm also touching my face with a very light hand. I'm not applying much pressure. They recommend massaging at an upward motion. I mean, you don't ever want to pull down on your skin. You're just gonna make your face droop even more. So let's talk about this product a little bit. I'm gonna look into my notes here. First of all, it's oil-free. Thank God. And it has that same I can't pronounce this word, HADASI 3, that the essence has as well. And it's got wild rose, Japanese wild rose, and Japanese leopard lily that helps clarify your skin as well, which is, I mean, it sounds really cool, but I mean, the smell of this thing is insane. What really got me was the texture. Okay, let me talk about the texture. It's very light. It's like a cross between cream and gel, but it's called water cream because it literally like turns into water when you're applying it, and it just sinks into your skin. And that's why I liked gel moisturizers, because I don't like cream. I feel like it's sitting on my face and it just hangs out there, and I just don't like stickiness. And this one, like, it sinks into your skin, but it's like there's no film at all. It's like your skin literally swallowed it up. With the gel cream I had before, it did apply really smoothly and it sunk into my skin, but I felt like there was a film of product still on my face. This one is kind of like, doesn't feel like it's there. That's kind of like what got me to purchase the item. So like I said, it has that same 3 ingredients as the essence, which is also helps anti-aging. So double whammying on the anti-aging. Okay, so I'm reading off their website, and it says, imparts a subtle, shine-free glow with a touch of 23-karat gold. What does that mean? My skin is glowing though. That sun is hitting real nice on my skin right now. I don't know what that means, but I'm just gonna share that info with y'all. Yeah, so I apply this every day. This is $65, which, to be honest with you, I feel like I've been getting played buying my $40 gel cream, because this thing is probably, like, the ingredients wise, so much better than the one that I had. And also the amount that I use of this compared to my other one is like light years of a difference. Come on. How many ounces is this? This is 1.7 ounces. Can you imagine how many days this product will last me with that teensy-weensy amount that it looks like I didn't even touch it? If I were to choose between what 3 items that you really need, I would probably say this moisturizer. Because this guy, look, it transformed my skin like insane. In my opinion, the 3 main products you really, really, really need is probably a makeup remover, assuming you wear makeup, a cleanser, and a moisturizer. Those are the top 3 items that you should invest in on your skincare, because look, your makeup remover is super important. That's what gets all the gunk out, like, from the get-go. That's your first line of defense right there. And then it's your cleanser that gets real deep in there, and then your moisturizer that just protects your entire life here, okay? It's definitely more expensive than I usually use, but like I said, I'm starting to invest more in my skincare. That pretty much wraps up this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I also will post the blog post down below, have further details about all the products, where to buy them, direct links, and more information on all the products. I just wanted to show you guys what items I used. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!